Hello everyone, welcome back to C4 Cookbook. Today I'm making a super easy and delicious chicken pasta, and the best part is I am cooking it in Idli pot. It's loaded with juicy chicken and loads of flavor, perfect for a lunch, dinner or even when you are craving some comfort food. So let's get started and make this comforting pasta together. And that's it. Delicious creamy chicken pasta is ready to enjoy. It's a simple, comforting and packed with delicious flavors in every bite. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next recipe. Till then, bye.